Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 968 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be partnering with the brand Siamhoo to try out the Long Volume Mascara, their 4D Silk Fiber Lash Mascara. So this brand is available on Amazon and they have so many beautiful mascaras and they are so affordable. This 2-pack right here retails for $9.99. It's Amazon Prime, so you get that free shipping. And I even have a discount code. So I'll have it on the screen here, but I'll also have it linked in the description down below, and you can use that discount code on Amazon. And this is also a waterproof mascara. I do not have many waterproof mascaras, and of the waterproof mascaras I have, they are not very good. So let me show you the packaging. You get 2 in here. And the packaging on these is beautiful. All of the Siamhoo products have very beautiful packaging. So here is what that packaging looks like. I can't believe it's a 2-pack for $9.99. That's $5 for each mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, I love this type of wand. It's the kind with the plastic, shorter, stubbier bristles. I love this type of wand. Here you can see what that looks like. And it looks like a great size, not too big, not too tiny. Okay, I am so excited to see if this really is lengthening and volumizing. I love that the wand really grabs hold of all of the lashes. So it feels like all of the lashes are getting really nicely coated. And this is a fiber mascara, so it'll attach little fibers onto the lashes so then you don't have smudging, and then it can be super buildable and volumizing and lengthening. And I'm seeing that already. I'm already noticing great length and volume. So while I let that first layer sit, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the lower lashes. Ooh, this wand works great for those lower lashes. I love that there's no smudging on my under eyes. All right, let's see if I can build up the volume. I'm gonna tap the ends. Whoa, I can see the little fibers. Gosh, that is so cool. When I tap the ends of my lashes, I can literally see little fibers sticking on and just adding so much length. That is so cool. Wow, this is a super lengthening mascara. And I think the 2 layers is as much as I can layer it up, because then there's just so much fiber and so much product on the lashes that they start to stick together, and I want to keep the lashes separated. But wow, that's a very good fiber mascara. So look at the difference in my lashes. So much length. Great volume. It's not the most volumizing mascara I've ever used, but it might be the most lengthening mascara I've ever used. Wow, that's really impressive. And it also has good lift. I didn't curl my lashes with a lash curler before applying this, and it could just be because the lashes are so long right now, but the lashes touch my brow bone, and I didn't even curl my lashes, so they are that curled and that long. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. Something that I learned from my sister, who works in the healthcare field, so she wears a lot of PPE, so masks, shields, goggles. She will wear a fiber mascara because those don't smudge when wearing PPE and wearing masks and shields. So a mascara like this, which is a fiber mascara, is a good mascara for those situations because it's not going to smudge. And with all of like the steam and all that happens when wearing the PPE, it can really smudge mascara. So I might give my sister the other one because she loves fiber mascaras. I can't believe this is only $5 also. It's a great quality mascara. But I really like this for the lower lash line because it coats all the lashes, makes them look nice and dark and long, but it doesn't smudge on the under eye. And with a fiber mascara, I definitely recommend tapping the ends of your lashes, and it's amazing the length that you can add with the fibers attaching to the ends of the lashes. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a comb, a lash comb, and brush through my lashes to kind of separate where they started to stick together from me applying so much. But it makes a great difference. You can see these just look a lot more fanned out, full, compared to these lashes that I didn't comb through yet. So here we have my finished lashes, which are so long, volumized, and curled. It's a really beautiful effect. And for such a great price that you can get on Amazon Prime, I love that. I love finding great Amazon makeup. If you have any recommendations of your favorite makeup products from Amazon, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.